Hey guys, it's TK and I'm back with more tips and tricks. Today I'll be showing you how to jazz up your Instagram stories and how to use the copy and paste feature in more creative ways. Previously on How To, we showed Android users how to copy and paste images. Don't worry, these tips work for both Android and iPhone users. So you might have seen an image like this on Instagram and you want to create something similar using your own pictures. Open up your gallery and copy all the images you want to use. Next, open up Instagram and go to your Instagram stories. Select the image that will be on the background layer. Now select the text input button. Open up your clipboard and add the next image. Repeat this step for each image you want to use. Resize and position the images till you have the look you want. Finish editing and post. Aww, that's so pretty. Let's try another design. Follow the same steps as before. Oh, and by the way, you can download the graphics we used for these designs. You'll find the link in the description box below. Bonus round! Here's another way you can use the copy to clipboard feature. If you wanted to add multiple images to an email or WhatsApp message, create the message, open up your clipboard and paste the images. Oh, that's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and if there's any topic you would like us to do a how-to video on, please let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us on all our social media platforms. Follow me as well on Instagram at TK. This is TechCity. Bye for now.